Welcome to GamePlan, the visual project planning and scheduling software that empowers you to complete your projects on time and on budget. You will quickly see how using GamePlan's unique, innovative, virtual whiteboard will change your approach to planning and deliver real bottom-line benefits to your business. In other scheduling software, you create a project schedule by typing a list of tasks into a Gantt chart. This is a tedious process that, frankly, is not engaging and therefore is typically rushed, or worse, skipped altogether. It's not an effective way to plan a project, and poor planning is the most common reason that projects run over time and over budget. GamePlan takes a different approach. With us, you plan your projects as if you were brainstorming with your team in a conference room. You wouldn't create a one-dimensional list of tasks. Instead, you would use the room's whiteboard to dynamically map out the project using a combination of symbols, text, and arrows to show tasks and dependencies. And that's exactly how you work in GamePlan. You plan your projects by simply drawing your project workflow on our virtual whiteboard, and GamePlan's powerful scheduling engine does the rest. Make a change on the whiteboard, and our scheduler automatically updates the project schedule and displays it in a Gantt chart. The GamePlan Gantt chart shows your entire project timeline, including when all deliverables will be met and when the project will complete. The schedule is resource leveled, which means that no one is ever double booked, and the schedule is achievable, so you can publish your deliverable dates with confidence. Because project planning in GamePlan is creative and dynamic, it is a positive user experience. This makes people want to plan their projects, and better planning leads to better project execution. GamePlan offers effective communication and collaboration by sharing the project plan in ways that everyone understands. The whiteboard can be exported to an image file, the Gantt chart can be saved to PDF, and the plan itself can be shared online so the project team can access it anytime from anywhere. GamePlan produces a daily agenda for everyone to follow so your team gets clear direction on who needs to do what tasks and when they need to do them. Once your project is underway, it's important to track it because in any project, there are always unforeseen delays. Tracking is done simply by marking tasks as completed or entering timesheets. This ensures your project status is always up to date. When there's a delay in the project, GamePlan shows you exactly how the delay affects all project deliverables, and it gives you the tools to determine how best to bring the project back on schedule. Planning, scheduling, and tracking. GamePlan is the only product to deliver true, resource-leveled project scheduling through a visual whiteboard user experience. Keep any project on time and on budget with GamePlan at gameplan.global.